exit. So, I would say here in give it about another 30 minutes here, this will start to exit our viewing area, and then it will continue to head east through the Florida Panhandle. It looks like it will, for the most part, at this point, stay south of the Alabama-Florida line there. Again, we have this warning that was initially issued here for Covington County there in Alabama. I don't think the tornado warning, though, is going to really, this storm's not going to affect Covington. It's all now in Okaloosa County here, right along 85 north and south. So if you're at this point still south of Laurel Hill, Okaloo, Campton, those communities along 85, you need to make sure at this time you are in your tornado safe place and seeking your tornado precautions here. As we always say in these kind of scenarios, even if we have a rotating thunderstorm, or at this point, or whether we have a storm that was just radar indicated, at this point you need to be taking shelter. Looks like we just switched radar sites.
In fact, I was going to tell you, I just switched over to Eglin for a minute to see if we could get a little clearer view of what's going on here.
There's a little hook echo right there that's developed on this storm. Yep. So yeah, so that's a clear sign on the reflectivity anyway that we do have a rotating thunderstorm. So this is a very small supercell thunderstorm that's developed here. We had that rotation on the southern extent of the thunderstorm as it's continuing to move off to the east here. But again, the area is shaded in red, but especially this newer area that's developed here, that's where we're watching here. This is the area of concern right there on the southern part of this. Now, if you are, based off of this, if you're in the Okaloo areas, you'll probably get down some very heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds, but it looks like the rotation at this point, I would say you can kind of see this is the air kind of rushing into the thunderstorm. That's where we've got that notch there. That's the air moving into the thunderstorm, air coming back around, so that's the rotation. That's the area of concern. That's the tornado potential right along, looks like Dillundry Road there, north of Clear Springs. If you're in Clear Springs at this point, stay in your tornado shelter here. And if you're in Campton as well, along 85, get to your tornado safe place right now. We're still seeing signs here, and this storm is still fairly robust, and we're still seeing clear evidence that we could still have a tornado in progress here. So we have not had the confirmation that this is a tornado on the ground at this point, but at this point we still need to watch this very closely. I'll go ahead and check here and just make sure that we've gotten see if we've gotten any kind of viewers here from any. Actually, we actually did have a report of a funnel cloud from that very small shower near Atmore along 65 earlier this afternoon here. So that's not the tornado warned storm, but it still just tells us there that we do have an atmosphere that is still primed here and capable of producing these isolated, very weak, small tornadoes. And that's probably what we've got here at this point, where we do have that area of rotation that's doesn't look quite as robust as it once did, but still certainly does present a significant threat here over the next couple of minutes until 4:45. That is when this warning will expire here. So we're going to continue on until this continues to head on out. Very quickly, let's go ahead and move back off to the west. I just want to give the other all of our other viewers here just a kind of a quick overview of what else is happening here. Well, as we kind of move back to the west here across Escambia County, Alabama, we did get a report of a funnel cloud from that storm that moved right along 65. It was very brief, very thin. We got some pictures there on social media. We also got some more thunderstorms that are training there in northern portions of Santa Rosa County. Also, we're going to watch these storms here very closely, the one south of Hattiesburg and the one shower there that is in southern portions of Greene County as well. Again, as they start to move into this environment, we could still be talking about some significant weather moving in. So again, here's what you need to do if you are in